I'm going to show you how to make an omelette. You need everything that you see here. You have your fork, plate, bowl, parchment paper, and eggs. What I'm going to do is take parchment paper. You need enough to cover the bowl and then some. And then we're going to crack an egg. Something that I've learned about cracking eggs is that when you crack it, you want to rotate the egg. So if I crack it like this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break the yolk when I crack it. If I rotate it, then I don't break the yolk. Actually, right now I'm going to scramble the egg, so I don't really care. Here's the egg. I'm going to crack it. These two eggs. Now, if I were to microwave it right now, what would happen? The white would cook first, and then the yolks, because the microwaves hit the outside first, and they would sort of pull away from the yolks and get very dried out. And it also leaves a rubbery layer. So I find that I need to beat them up like this. I really want to make sure that's fully homogeneous. I don't want to see, I'm going to try to break up what I can of the egg white, because that's the part that gets very rubbery when it gets cooked in the microwave. So now you can see it's very homogeneous and it looks yellow throughout. At this point, I could add salt. So to microwave it, and then I'm going to fold the edges of the paper over. And make sure it gets nicely going over. Now, fold over a little bit. It doesn't matter too much if a little bit gets out. It's a little bit, it's easy to clean. Crumpled and pushed it all in. And I put the plate on top to keep it down so that when we go to microwave, it is all weighted down, because we're going to use the sensor in our microwave to cook the eggs to perfection. How to use the microwave. So in this one, we have a sensor. Now, if you don't have a sensor, play around with timing. I think I found roughly a minute at 1,200 watts was good for one egg. And then I think it was like adding around 40 seconds per additional egg. Now, for me, my microwave has numbers to determine what different options written on the microwave to cook food. So I'm going to put it in. And I'm going to set it to 3. Set to cook. I just push that 3 times. That corresponds to my omelet setting. If you don't have that, you can try using the sensor reheat, and then I can press start. And it will microwave. The plate is starting to lift up a little bit. That's a sign to me that the egg has been cooked. And there we go. That's the end. Now, the plate and bowl is usually very hot. A instant exterior read thermometer, and I can see how hot it is. Oh yeah, that got up to 170. Going to take the plate off, just weighing it down. And we can see that our egg has been cooked. Turn out my egg onto the plate. It's easier. And that is how I make an egg. It's very fluffy and tastes pretty good.